I guess no one's going to buy again.
Where the hell is he going?
Oh, hey Astro, can I help you?
Well, I actually feel really sad. I couldn't find any medkits or bandits in this floor to cure myself. Perhaps a cute, handsome flower boy has one spare medkit he can sell me?
You don't sympathize me, Astro.
Oh, come on, Dandy.
Dig it, Astro. Don't get used to this.
Thank you, Dandy.
Yeah, whatever. That'll be 100.
Well, I don't have enough tapes. Could that pay the price?
Oh, no, don't worry about it. It's on the house. Bye, Astro.
Astro, what the fuck? Seducing D to get good items? Fuck those jizz. Why didn't I think of that?
To clarify, I am a lot older than what I sound, so